That was the hardest thing I've ever done. Oh my gosh.
I really like the idea of when you're goal setting to pick a goal that you don't know if you can accomplish. I'm a little nervous because my body is completely sore. I don't think I hydrated properly. There's gonna be some pain, but we're gonna push through it. Today, whenever I was running and really just feeling terrible, I was telling myself there are two options. Your body's going to break or you're going to finish and succeed. And for a lot of it, it was like your body's breaking. You're not going to be able to finish this. Like quitting would be so much easier.
Look at this view, man.
Whenever I was going through the hardest part of the run, I called my husband, Andrew, and he just talked me through when we first met, when he asked me to marry him, and for 30 minutes I didn't feel any pain, and he reminded me of how proud he was to know me and how much he loved me, and that was really great. That was really hard.
So we're doing some active recovery right now. I got the compression boots and I just got out of an Epsom salt bath. So trying to do all the things to get us ready for day 3 of the marathon. Part of me feels really excited to do this, and the other part feels tired and exhausted and sick.
I kept on thinking this is really shitty and what else can go wrong. I was comparing myself to the other runners when they would pass me. I had clogged milk ducts that were huge lumps coming out of my breast because I couldn't pump. Today we had a huge climb. My knees and calves were just so painful that taking another step just hurt so bad.
I asked my coach how to get rid of the calf cramps, and he said to drink more electrolyte, but they're not going away. My calf muscles are seizing. Are you draining it? 72 miles so far this weekend. We just gotta make it to the finish line, because we do hard things. And today I'm not quitting.
As I was running, I just kept on saying a mantra, which is, I can do hard things, I can do hard things, I can do hard things, and kept on putting one foot in front of the other. Eventually those steps made it to the finish line. I think a symptom of abuse is you lose your belief in yourself that you can do hard things, that you're worthy. I think the beauty of marathons, it's a mind game. And I got to see that my mind is stronger than I believed it to be, because even when my body was shutting down, my mind was strong enough to carry me to the finish line each day.